Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my monthly favorites for the month of February, the month of love. I want to share with you all the things that I love this month. But before I get into it, first of all, you'll hear little people all around the baby, and all the kids are just like around right now. Just the best time to film, and that's how it worked out today. So don't mind if you hear a little gibbering or jabbering or a little nervous. Okay. Anyways, don't mind if you hear a little bit of something other than me and the video. I know, you're so cute. And before I get into my favorite things, I am doing a huge giveaway here on my channel, and I'm going to tell you all about it right now, really quick. I want you to enter the giveaway. The reason I'm doing this giveaway is because I just hit 10,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you all. I'm so grateful for you guys following along, watching my videos, and always having encouraging words and advice in my comments, and I'm just so grateful, and I want to thank you guys. So the way I wanted to do the giveaway is I wanted to have 3 winners, because I know for me personally, when I enter a giveaway, I am always like bummed when I don't win. So first of all, your chances of winning this giveaway are really... I know. Your chances of winning this giveaway are really good because I don't have a huge channel, and so I feel like it's the odds are more in your favor for my little giveaway. But also I wanted to have multiple winners, because for me, when I enter a giveaway, I just feel like I will never win, and I never do win. So I'm gonna have 3 winners. The first grand prize, first place winner is going to be a $100 gift card to Target, and the reason I wanted to do that is because I love Target. I feel like anyone can get anything from there. You can get food if that's what you need, or you can get makeup, you can get clothes, house accessories, and so I definitely wanted that to be like the #1 grand prize giveaway, and so I'm really excited to offer you guys that. Obviously Target is not sponsoring that giveaway, it's just for me. And then the second place winner is going to win a line of hair care products from a company called Fanola. I partnered with them on a few videos. Their products are incredible. If you have blonde hair, you definitely need them in your life. If you have brunette hair, red hair, or anything, they're also including nourishing products and all kinds of things, so it's not just for blondes. That is going to be an amazing package, and I think whoever wins that is going to be so happy and so lucky. I know, Jacob. And then the last place winner is going to win a set of resistance bands, the mini loop bands that I've shown. I've made a few videos about them. I think they're incredible. I love them, especially if you're a mom and you want to work out at home, and it's just small equipment, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it really elevates your workout. If you go to the gym, you add it to your gym routine, and I just think it's incredible. So the rules for entering the giveaway are very, very simple. I wanted it, I know he's writing on the wall. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Then I want you to comment in the description box in this video below what you guys want to see in 2018. Do you want to see more hair? Do you want to see more baby? Do you want to see more clothes? What do you guys want to see in 2018? I'd love to hear from you guys, and I want to make videos that you guys enjoy. So I'm really excited. I have some really, really cool things I want to share with you guys. I'm going to start with home stuff. A lot of it is from Target, hence why I'm so like, I need to do a Target giveaway, because I love it so much. I spend so much of my energy doing Target things. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is this little glass container, and I just think it's so cute. I love this, and I got it in the dollar section at Target. I say the dollar section, I mean Bullseye's Playground. It was $3, but it's so pretty. It has like a nice little wood lid. The glass is like a tinted glass. It's like a gray glass. I think it's so pretty. I actually got a set so they can go together, and I keep them on my kitchen countertop, and you can put little treats in them. You can just leave them empty, and they actually even came with chalkboard labels, but I decided not to put that on. I don't feel like my house is like a farmhouse, so I don't think chalkboard labels always fit with my decor, but I thought this did fit, and it can fit with anyone's decor. But this is awesome for your bathroom, for your kitchen, any kind of vanity situation, and I just think there's so many uses. And $3, it's such good quality. It even has a rubber seal around it, so I really love this, and I think that everyone should go check it out and see if your Target still has that. Unfortunately, you can't buy the dollar spot stuff online. You have to go in store. The next thing I got is this cute little basket. My mom actually got it first, and then I had to go back and get it. And I got it to put in Malia's room, but there's like so many places you could put this. It's perfect for putting a little plant in it and having it come out. It's perfect for toy organization, anything really. You can put so many things in this, and I thought it was really cute. It is in the kids section, but I think it works really well in like anyone's house. This one is pretty good. It's like bigger than my head, I think. Yeah, it's like bigger than my head. And this one was $7. I got it on sale for $5, and they have a larger one that's $19. If you want to do like a big floor plant, you can put it in this on the floor, or you can put blankets in it. I just think these are really, really cute. And I also, like my neighbor, I realized last night that I need to get her like a little baby gift. She's having a baby, and so I thought this is like the best basket. You can put a little present in it, and then they can put it in the nursery. So I love this. I think it's a really good price point for such a good quality basket. Okay, the last home thing I got is this basket from Ikea. I feel like this is an iconic little basket, and you see it everywhere. And it's $12 for this basket. It's also a pretty good size. I think it's big enough that you can put it on the floor. Anyways, I feel like this basket is very, very popular from Ikea, and I've been wanting to get it for a long time, but for some reason it was never in stock at my Ikea. So luckily I went this month and they did have it. Are you imitating me? Yeah. They did have it, and I love it so much. I actually put like a little fake plant in it and just put it on the ground in my living room. But again, there's so many uses. I didn't know if I wanted to put it in the nursery, the boys' room, the living room, my bedroom. It's one of those things where I'm like, I could put this in so many places. Do I need more than one? But I don't, so I only got one. But I really love this basket, and I think it's so cute. Okay, then I'm just gonna finish this section with my fashion favorites for this month. I don't always do fashion, but sometimes I find something that I really love and I wear nonstop. So these shoes I actually picked up at Target, and I think they are so cute. They're like little slides, but the woven detail, it just makes them more unique. Oh gosh, there goes my lighting. And I think it can go with so many different outfits and styles. I actually saw it on their Instagram, and I was like, I need those shoes. They are so cute on the outfit that the girl got. And so I picked them up, and they're just perfect for this like almost into springtime. I'll wear them all summer and again in the fall. I love these shoes. And I realized when I got home, like I have like 10 pairs of shoes that are similar to this. This is just my favorite kind of shoe, but I definitely think they're really cute, and they were so cheap. They were like $22. So cheap for a good pair of shoes, and I really love them. So I think you should pick them up if you also like them. The last few things are beauty related, and so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys, I really can't tell if I shared this with you before. I know I wanted to, because this isn't the first month I've been using it. I know. But I went through my favorites and I couldn't find it, so I don't know if it like slipped through the cracks, but I'm obsessed with this, and it was so affordable, so I wanted to share it. And it's basically this Hydro Boost gel cream from Neutrogena, but what I'm using it for is the hyaluronic acid that it has in it. Hyaluronic acid is so important for your skin and your health of your skin and the way it looks and keeping it moisturized and keeping, there's so much. Like Google hyaluronic acid for skin and you will find out why you need to have it in your skincare routine if you already don't. And this bottle was $20, and I've heard so many incredible reviews about this. It's just as good as the very expensive things. Like you can get this for $100, or you can get it for $20 and see if it works for you. It works for me. It's been so good for my skin, and I love it. So I definitely recommend picking this up if you're looking for something for anti-aging skincare. The lights are going crazy. Anyways, I really, really love this product. I think I go through phases where I'm obsessed with hair, or I'm obsessed with my skin, or I'm obsessed with shoes, or like gym clothes. And right now I'm definitely in a skin phase. I feel like my pregnancy hormones and like nursing hormones, they mess with my skin, and so I'm trying to like recover all of that, and I feel like I'm finally getting back to a more normal skin for me, and I'm really enjoying having my skin more normal, less breakouts. But I picked up this face wash and I really love it. It's basically oil cleansing. I think it's really good for taking your makeup off at night, and it doesn't leave my skin dry. There's like this feeling when I use some face washes where my face is squeaky clean, and I don't love that. I feel like it's drying and not good for my skin. I want it to continue to have good oils on it, and that prevents breakouts, and it prevents it from becoming too dry, and then makeup can't go on because it's patchy. But I love this face wash so much. I got it from Amazon. It was recommended to me by a local like blogger, and she swears by it, and now I swear by it. And it's from Nature Republic. At first I thought it was like Banana Republic because it's like the same font. It looks exactly the same. I don't even know if you guys can see because I can't see the screen, but I do really love it. and my face feels so good. It hasn't caused me to break out. I've been using it for like a month, and Google if you need to, like the benefits of oil cleansing on your face. I really like it. I don't know if it's for everyone, but it's definitely something that my skin responds well to. Next thing I'm going to talk about are teeth. The number 2 questions I get on YouTube are usually about my teeth and usually about my hair. Everyone always wants to know, like, I'm looking in the mirror, sorry. Why are your teeth so white? The answer is because lighting. Lighting makes everyone's teeth white. Any YouTuber you look at that has beautiful white teeth, it's because the lighting equipment is really good. So if my teeth look white, it's because of lighting equipment. They're not freakishly white, but I do think that my teeth are pretty good. I have really good what am I trying to say? I have really good oral hygiene habits. I always have my entire life, as a kid, as a teenager. It's never been something I've struggled with. So I've always taken really good care of my teeth. I think they are like good enough that I can talk about things that I like when it comes to whitening your teeth. Recently I have tried this active whitening charcoal toothpaste, and it was sent to me by a company called Dental Expert, and I'll be honest, I was very skeptical. I was like, sure, I'll try it. How will black toothpaste help my teeth get whiter? But there are so many reasons why active charcoal whitens your teeth. Honestly, I was really pleasantly surprised by how much it whitened my teeth, and the reason I like it is because it's so simple. I'm already going to brush my teeth, so why not let it whiten my teeth while I do it? It's not an extra step, it's just something I was already going to do anyways. So I was really surprised, and I let my husband use it also, and I didn't really ask him like, oh, what do you think? But he came and he was like, I think this is really working, like my teeth are whiter, and we only had been using it for like 2 weeks. So I'm actually going to put a whole video together so you can see like a detailed review, what it looks like when I'm putting it on. I talked about it a little bit in like a get ready with me video, but I'm going to put together a whole video so you guys can see how this actually works. It's interesting stuff, and it tastes fine, like everything's fine, but I definitely wanted to include it because you guys always ask about teeth whitening, and one of my favorite things is that you can do it while you're brushing your teeth. Then the last thing I'm going to share with you is kind of like a set of things, but it's this shampoo and conditioner that I got from this company called Wow Skin Science. And here's my theory on hair care. Like I said, hair is a huge question I get. I think just because my hair is somewhat long, and I don't know, people are just curious about it. So I don't think I have anything special with my hair. It has this weird like cowlicks in it, and I know we're not gonna shower right now. Anyways, I have a lot of qualms with my hair, but I see why people wonder because I have been able to grow it long. Anyways, so what I was talking about is my theory with hair care is you have to switch it up. Like your hair responds when you change your products up. When you use the same thing all the time, and I think it's the same thing with like skincare also. Like I feel like I have to change it up, otherwise my skin stops responding to the purpose of the hair care. So anyways, I don't know if that makes sense, but that's kind of a theory I made up in my head, but there might be some fact behind it if you were to look into it. But anyways, so my thing is, I've talked about hair care in the past, and it's because it works for me and I love those products. And I continue to find more products that I love as well. I'm not saying instead of these products, I will always use these products. I'm saying in addition, I will continue to use these things. And another thing is I've been trying this for over a month now, and I do think in order to see results of whether or not something works for you, you have to use it long term. And so I think I've used it long enough that I can tell you guys I really enjoy this product. So the first one is apple cider vinegar shampoo. I was very nervous that the apple cider vinegar would have a strong smell. It actually smells just like apples. I don't know if that's like the fragrance they chose so that you're not so alarmed, but I can't smell the vinegar part at all. It actually smells very, very good. Apples and really clean. But this is what the thing is with this shampoo that I really love. There are so many reasons why apple cider vinegar is so good for your hair. So I was really excited. I was like hesitant, but also excited because there's so many health benefits for your scalp and for your hair. It's paraben free and sulfate free. If you look at the ingredients, they are clean ingredients. And I love the idea of that. I know how important that is for my hair health. And so I can't say enough good things about this product. The only bad thing I could say is that it is a little bit more expensive, but the product is so thick, a lot really does go a long way. So if you use it, you know, like not like crazy, like, I don't know, it's kind of expensive for the amount that you get, but it's also your hair you're talking about. You have to wear your hair every single day, so it's good to take care of it, like your skin. It's good to take care of your skin. because you can't get new hair, you can't get new skin, you have to take care of it. Anyway, so it goes along with this conditioner, which again just has so many incredible ingredients: coconut oil, avocado oil, wheat protein, and it's safe for color treated hair, which my hair is bleached, so obviously that's very important to me. The one thing I will say about this is the coconut smell is so overpowering. It almost smells like Play-Doh for me, and so the smell while I'm in the shower, I'm like, oh, it smells like I'm putting Play-Doh in my hair. And I guess I'm just like a smell fanatic. Like any smells can either like be so good for me or not good for me. But this conditioner is so smoothing and so thick and rich. When I put it in my hair, that's one thing I judge a conditioner. Like, how can I run my fingers when I'm in the shower when the conditioner is in? Is my hair just like so smooth and silky? And the answer is yes with that conditioner. So that's something I definitely look for. I want conditioner to be strong and powerful because I have dry hair and damaged hair, and I need it to be as, you know, conditioned as possible. So I'm really enjoying those products. I definitely recommend them, especially because they are so natural and so clean. I have very frizzy hair, and this is nothing, like no straightener, nothing. I washed my hair with those products and I brushed it out, and I know it's not like dead straight, but for me this is huge because my hair is very, very frizzy, especially around my face. I mean, it still is a little frizzy around my face. I just wanted to recommend it if you guys have a similar hair type to me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit long. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just comment below, what do you want to see from me? Anything. I'm open to any ideas you might have. So thank you guys so much, and we will see you in our next video.